Yes, my people. And I go still talk inside waiting editorial, talk about concerning that piece. Yes, piston, nobody call her. Yes, I need to talk, put, because she talk, say, people say, no be, talk, say, no be, she make the demonetized piece from China. Abi, no be so she talk. Okay, people. Thank you all for coming. I do appreciate every one of you. Happy New Year. Yes, so this year no be, in fact, bus now. No. This year now, prosperous year of breakthrough, year of, in fact, breakthrough. Yes. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe, okay? I come with pics, not with pixies. I come with pics, okay? We are here to assist ourselves. We are here to, talk something that is not, when we say it's not normal, it's not God, to criticize what is bad, and to clap for what is good. Now, make me sit down for here, me, Naija Daughter. My people, our beautiful sister, Editorial, Amy, yeah, she don't show. This one shook my liver, echo me. Yes. My people, me are not to waste una time. Waiting my beautiful sister talk editorial. Happy New Year once again. Today, now 1st of January, as I see that her video this morning, I said, no, I need to first attend to my family. Make things, if you never see table now, they messed up. Now. My people, this our beautiful sister. And waiting I want, many YouTuber, they do. Waiting she do so. Yes, let me clap for her for this one. Yes, Victoria need dance and it need clap. Yes, I be they come for she and Ekemeo, our beautiful sister UK family too. I be say something they want to tell our sister UK and she, but not be now. My beautiful sister, thank you for that video when you make. Okay, for me, I know they say me, I do appreciate that video. When I see on this morning, initially your bed turn on again. It first turn off, I turn it on again. You know why? The reason why I turn it on, because the eye when I say they see you, when I started they follow you for long years, no be 2 years, no be 3 years, I know they follow you. And they follow that your tomatoes face. My God go say tomatoes. When you go they bring out those ingredients, maybe they take the wash face. Me and my sister go they follow you, go they buy those baking soda, those say no be today, I will don't they follow you. My beautiful sister, wait till you carry come out today. I really do appreciate you once again. Yes, first of all, when we make video about that piston, many people say she not get ego. She come and talk, say, she don't know what I know about her. Everything when you just narrate, now what did they tell me? Say you put your passport, now they remove one, may you stand, may they put on, you not agree answer them. You understand? Thank God, you didn't see this life, eh? It's good sometimes we talk. Yes, some people go sit and say, why she go answer? No. Sometimes it's good to clear your name. Come and clear your name. Let people see that part when that person they blow, they go. Say na lie. Yes. As you just do and you come outside, you clear the hair. That is good. Because for me, that I wanted to look you as you still talk. Say people they say as you just get gentle face. That is how they look you and how you struggle and where you date today. That 2 things I use them to like you. Not because I mean you know me. No, I just use and like you. The kind person when you become married, your husband see your mother dialogue, the way you welcome her. Do you understand? But when I see some character, hear some things, I say, wow, editorial like this, you understand? But thank God say you come out and you clear the hair. First of all, my people, when we say piston, she say she don't arrive. She say she don't monitor. Some people then when you go, not beside they talk, say I don't send that. I said everybody, we are child of God. Today is 1st of January. What is not good? Let's say it's not good. Say as editorial talk, say she called this lady, and it's true. If you have 2 accounts, me I have 2 channels now, Esther Family TV and Naija Daughter. I combined that I joined them together. You understand? When somebody try to hack himself, somebody try to hack this my account. So when the editorial just explain, that is what will happen. Then Piston supposed to give editorial all her information. The person when they load down with something, or her ego, maybe whether now person they load Piston with word, or now Piston ego come look and say, what you want to for me again? Tomorrow I don't how much editorial say me? Repeat time again. I will say he don't make. Hey. Now she want go they make her. I better not look up for me on my own. Break and down. Now they break and down. No, if you not sweet you like that, I better go to your channel. As our sister, they always talk. Go cry for your channel. Not cry for my channel. Many of us will be adults. Now nobody is above here. She can't dey grow. Somebody when you find the right, see many people now make them not they open their door for anybody. Somebody when you they admire, when you they find how you want to meet her, you meet her. I just dey jump. I don't want to make this video too long. Somebody when you they admire before how you want to meet her, the person finally open her door for you just because of say she needs help. You went, she even they call you, say see her account. If you with her fight or she beat or she do you something, she they talk about her business. Waiting make you say know her. Waiting make you know editorial. She they call you now say, come, let's solve this her account. Okay, you can't take say without you her account. My people, I just a jump. You not say from here. When I just take her for because if I say me I settle down analyze and well, it go too long, eh? It go too long. If I say me I do part 1 and part 2, I don't know how it go be. Me una no worry, I'll still do another part 2. Somebody when carry me I felt face piston. Wetin editorial do talk na true? If it not be true, you come outside, still say your own. Editorial when be 2 million, be 1 million plus, it don't come out and he said her own. You the piston still come outside and say, oh, let us hear your own. Yes, let's hear your own. I'll go turn your bed on so that anytime you drop, I'll go wash her. May I still hear your own. But wetin editorial talk, may I fair come for you. She not lie. Because you use your mouth to tell that girl when the person still tell me, now editorial explain to me. Do you understand? When Piston say very soon, street go cast. And the street really cast. Not to say now affect editorial. She don't come out. She clear her head. Say, yes, so she dey collect money because she dey buy food. Yes. She give you internet. Yes. You know when some people you they try to help, they want play smart on you. Then we be careful. Who read that you help, never you beat that person. No, they say no matter how small pikin go big, you go over climb upstairs, climb mansion, wait till your mama. No, you can never know her. Wait till your mama sit down, they see. You no sit down, see her. You know here the trying to tell you. He say you know somebody from Chinese, cha. You the poster, you never know anybody. Tell the person. I just dey jump. My beautiful sister, editorial, I will still send you message, okay? Many of us, we know say Piston, she did proud, abi. Me, I put her rude. Under my comment, I never replied that comment. He said, that person said, the first day when you see Piston, he say, Piston, not get respect to you. You see, sometimes we will say, people too, they talk. Sometimes people's talk not true. Sometimes people's talk in our life not true. When sometimes it's not true. I think if editorial not open door for Piston to come in, those rubbish will not they happen. Somebody behind it, pushing Piston. It is say editorial China one go down. If editorial, she no even tell you say Piston, or you will even get fight. Somebody when don't even feed you. Somebody when you don't even assist you. You they see say that person they go down. Can't you rather help? She even call you, text you message. If not be say wait to concern me, I don't grow, I don't reach. They will tell you say you don't reach here. And the person, wait till editorial talk say you never monetize. They tell me say you don't monetize before you reach her house. But she don't clear the hair now say you never monetize when you reach her house. Because I tell the person say if you don't monetize, what you go do for editorial house? Okay, because you want blow one. Because many of us you don't monetize. Who know us for the street? Many of us get 1,000, 2,000. Who know us for the street? If not be editorial now 1020 now you will they get this your sister when you carry she don't get one. How many views should they get? If not be editorial. When you go meet editorial friends, say, no be editorial help you. Maybe they know what we talk sometimes. Editorial a big YouTuber. Yes, her own style of big YouTuber just still different. Though her name not the show. And she still apologized to the reactor. I believe many of my sisters, they take her from her. For me, I see something inside when she talks. She's a content creator. She can still come out and criticize what we talk. Yes, we are a content creator and we be reactor. As I dey talk now, she still come outside, still give me glass boost. You understand? She just say we supposed to know. Say she just say with the feed now. She just see create content. I beg. I hope say many of us will understand. I don't even know what this my video, but I beg. May not take her for me like that. Maybe I will come back again to analyze them very well. You understand? I please. May we take her apology. Me immediately. I take her apology. I know they would vet for her before. Why I go vex? You know. We don't get right to vex for anybody because she have her reason to vex because many of us will be reactor, many of us will be content creator. You understand? She said, my sister, I'm not supposed to understand. So I still bring content from her, and it's true. As she called, hey, this is our truth, you have to. If you don't know, you don't know. Business, you be real business. Editorial, you be real business woman. You say, I say, give her content now. I'm not going. Many of us will just, I say, yes. But that word say she they do content like series. My Christmas video, I do one like serious. So when I take buy my thing, when I take cuckoo, everything they do now. We are a content creator. That is true. May we not criticize what somebody do. It's not easy to bring out content. Let appreciate anything that somebody they do. May we not just criticize. And you pay some. I don't get what to tell you. Okay, just try apologize to editorial if there is any way when she will feel help you. That your feathers carry her like this. You know, say that day when you talk for channel, you say you don't know what you do me. I don't know that woman. Me don't even know you. I'm from Edo State. You will be Equaibo. You say I will not know. I don't know anything about you. You understand? And somebody bring your matter for me. I contact the person that make come clear the hair. I don't know whether she don't still receive some. You know, say man, this street is hot too. But you know if you play with me, except I just look you like say. I feel send out to 2 or 3 people the record because I hate say I don't know Piston. Piston don't know me. Now you carry her matter, can't give me. Don't be saying now for bad, now for good. Thank God now say our beautiful sister editorial, she don't come outside and clear the hair. Piston, if not somebody, they push you, say they go do it without editorial. Learn sense, so collect sense. Collect sense. Wait till I tell you, collect sense. Carry your feather, calm down so that she can help you to reach there. Me, editorial, we, the reactor, me, post person, I beg you, okay? See as you look beautiful. It's good to near sisters too. Hey, Sir Jamie just make you up. See my own. I don't say anybody will make me up. My soldiers, they don't come. Hello, my love. I don't say anybody will make me up. Oh, me, I just did like that. Yes, I do. Sister, they will take for us as small. Hey, sister, good. Oh, Jenny. Hey, I they come make you make up me. Oh, that your beauty. You forgot, Mazi. Hey, catch you like that. In fact, see the beauty. Yes, editorial. Let drink. Let toast. Let toast for that your beauty. Yes, yeah. Now let toast. Okay, please do one for Piston. Okay, if there is any way you can help, you can support her. Okay, I appreciate as you come out to clear the hair. Only that now I appreciate. No be who Piston, no be who wait I do the talk. I come and appreciate you for you to come out because many YouTubers, if they want come do that all day, as you come out, we are human being. Nobody they feed each other. You understand? Try to support her, to help her. Thank God, thank you as you come out to clear the hair. We dey wait for Piston part 2. And we know say we content to don't get anything. You got to click content. Jenny, thank you for you turn your sister. You will turn me, I'm coming you so that you go turn me too, okay? When you clear the tutorial, okay? Toast, 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 toast.